Hi, in this video, we are going to see how to find derivative of sine hyperbolic x. Already we know how sine hyperbolic x is defined. That is, sine hx is equal to 1 half times e to the power x negative e to the power negative x. Okay, now I'm going to find derivative on both sides with respect to x. When I find derivative on the left side with respect to x, I'll be getting derivative of sine hx, that is sine hyperbolic x, over dx, that is with respect to x. On the right side, when I find derivative, I have to consider the constant 1 over 2 here. 1 over 2 is a constant, it is multiplied by the variable part because e to the power x, e to the power negative x. So both the terms contain variable x. So this constant is multiplied by the variable part. In finding derivative, whenever a constant is multiplied by the variable part, you have to keep the constant as it is and find the derivative of variable. Okay, when I find the derivative of this e to the power x, it is same, the e to the power x, negative. When I find the derivative of this e to the power negative x, it will be the same e to the power of negative x. Here in this case, I have to do by chain rule, I have to do further derivative of this negative x with respect to x. So by chain rule, when I do further derivative of this negative x with respect to x, it will be negative 1. So here you may have a question. I have not used chain rule, the first part e to the power x. So here also chain rule is there. Actually, when I find derivative of e to the power x, it is same the e to the power x. By chain rule, when I do further derivative of this x with respect to x, it will be just 1. Even if you times this one by 1, the result is same e to the power x. So that's why I have not done that one, okay? So when I do derivative of this e to the power negative x, it will be the same e to the power of negative x. And by chain rule, when I do further derivative of this negative x with respect to x, it will be negative 1. So here 1 over 2 times e to the power x. This negative times negative will become positive e to the power negative x. We know this is equal to cosine hyperbolic x because cosine hyperbolic x is defined by 1 half times e to the power x positive e to the power negative x. So we can write cosine hx for this. So the derivative of sine hyperbolic x, that is sine hx, is cosine hyperbolic x, that is cosine hx. Thank you.